Building with Lego is fun. But what if you could build a Lego set that, when you're done, turns into a tiny, powerful PC? That's pretty much what this is. This is the Pironman 5 Max from SunFounder, a full tower case kit for the Raspberry Pi 5. And today I'm going to build it, put it through its paces, and find out if it's just a cool looking toy or a genuinely useful piece of kit.
Joypad!
Now, as an owner of the original Pironman 5, I was really excited to see what the Max brings to the table. And the first thing you notice when you open the box is the sheer number of parts. The assembly is a project in itself. SunFounder says it takes about an hour, but I'd give yourself a couple of hours to really enjoy the process. You have to follow the instruction carefully to avoid mistakes. And trust me, there are a few places you can go wrong if you're not careful. Luckily, there's also video tutorials if you get stuck. But honestly, this is one of the most fun and exciting parts of the whole experience. It really is like an advanced Lego set for geeks. It's not without its challenges, of course. Some of the tiny screws and delicate FPC cables can be tricky. And the cable management for the fans isn't the cleanest for a see-through case. And the mounting solution for the Pi camera feels a little bit like an afterthought. It just kind of dangles out the back. But the end result is incredibly rewarding. So, what puts the Max in Pironman 5 Max? It's all about the new dual NVMe expansion board. This is the upgrade I was most excited about. This board lets you install two M.2 devices, and this is where you have a choice to make. You can go for a dual NVMe SSD setup, even running them in RAID 0 or 1, or you can do what I did. I installed one NVMe SSD for the OS and storage, and the little thing, the Halo HL AI accelerator. With the Halo module installed, the Pironman 5 Max transforms from a simple server into a miniature AI development powerhouse, capable of up to 13 TOPS of performance. I paired it with the Pi camera to test out some real-time video recognition projects. And while it does require a bit of tinkering to get the software going, I was impressed by how easy it was to follow the examples online. The community support is solid, making it quite accessible, even if you're not an AI expert. Now, there is one key technical detail you need to know. The expansion board uses a PCI Gen 2 switch, so you won't get the full Gen 3 speed from your NVMe SSDs. But let's be realistic. For this kind of random access, the performance is still fantastic and a massive leap over using a microSD card. So once it's built, what is it like to live with? Well, this is where it stops feeling like a DIY project and starts feeling like a polished product. A little OLED screen on the front is super useful for checking system stats, and the new Tap to Wake feature, which uses a tiny vibration sensors, really does work. The RGB lighting on the fans and the board is fully programmable through a web dashboard, which is surprisingly comprehensive. You can control everything from fan curves to light effects. That big tower cooler and the two fans are really effective, keeping the Pi 5 perfectly cool even under heavy load. After building it and putting it through its paces, was my final verdict on the Pironman 5 Max. Look, for many people, this will only be a fun, cool-looking project to build, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. The Lego for Geeks satisfaction is a huge part of its charm. But as I discovered, it's more than just a pretty face. With the power of a Pi 5 at its core, this kit is an extremely competent machine for productivity, development, or for building your own home server or AI lab. If you love the original Pironman 5, the upgrade to a dual M.2 slot is a massive improvement. If you're new to the Pi world and want a project that leaves you with something both beautiful and genuinely useful, the Pironman 5 Max is one of the best kits you can buy today. What do you think? Would you go for the dual SSD setup or the AI accelerator? Let me know down in the comments.